Oh my god, guys, so I just got some plant mail today. Got two packages, these are two different Hoyas that I purchased from Koko Ranch Hoyas. I also have another video doing another unboxing from this website, Koko Ranch Hoyas. I'm gonna leave a link right here in the description or on the video. But anyways, so this is my second unboxing. I did or placed two orders, as you can see, two different boxes, and they both arrived today. Even though I placed the order in different days, they both arrived today. So I'm using the edge of this cleanser from CeraVe just to open up the box. But I'm super excited. So these are really rare Hoyas, or rarely offered Hoyas. I cannot open it with this. Let me get something else to open it. Okay, so I got this little edge razor. So I got, these are very rare Hoyas that are super hard to manage to get in regular shops. You can order these from Thailand, but they take forever. So when I saw that she had this in stock, I ordered them. Now, from when I made the video before to this one, I noticed that she's gotten more popular, and she's her plants sell out really quick. So you gotta constantly be checking on her website to see what Hoya she offers, and you gotta be quick, because sometimes if you take a little too long to even read the description of the plant, then probably chances are the plant is gonna be already purchased from someone else. So here's my first Hoya. I'm gonna make a mess in here. Ooh, it's a mess. Okay, so this first Hoya, it's the Hoya ONYCHOIDES. ONYCHOIDES, as you guys can see the name tag. And so here it is. So the packaging is fairly okay. It is very sloppy, but I'm gonna use the vacuum to get rid of all of this. Here is one, and this is the one that produces really huge wax flowers, like massive wax flowers. Oh, I'm good. And the thing that I like about her Hoyas is that they always come in really good condition. So here is my Hoya ONYCHOIDES, guys. Look at the leaves on this Hoya. It's crazy. This one came a little bit damaged, but that's fine. But oh my god, this one, I don't know if it's stressed out because it was in the sun, but really good condition, guys. This is a really massive plant. The leaf, like I said, is ginormous. You can tell, comparing it to my giant face from the get-go, and this is like a big plant. The leaves in here are just massive. Look at this, just look at this Hoya. She offers really great Hoyas. I'm just obsessed. This one, oh my god, I'm so happy to have this plant. This is one of my Hoyas wish list, so now I have it, and I love smelling it because it smells like a green, nice, succulent plant. I love this. So really happy with this plant. Like I said, the leaves are huge. It just looks fairly healthy plant. Let me scoop it a little bit to the side. But yeah, this is my Hoya ONYCHOIDES. Now this is my second package, and look how it came in. It came in very like messed up from here. So it makes me wonder what happened with this. What happened with this plant? So this one, I believe, is another rare Hoya, just like the one before, and this is my last Hoya from this video. So let me go ahead and open it up. I think I'm gonna open it up from the I'm gonna open it from this side just because it's damaged from the other side. Okay, there you go. Okay. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay. Make another cut in here. Oh my god, this is really taped up really well. But anyways, here I go. Perfect. Okay. I'm gonna use this other box to get rid of all of this. Perfect. Okay. This one was also a super rare plant, or super rare Hoya. This is the Hoya ARCHBOLDIANA MACGILLIVRAyi. ARCHBOLDIANA MACGILLIVRAyi. Now I have a very small Hoya growing on my kitchen counter, and it's the Hoya MACGILLIVRAyi. But this one that I purchased is a Hoya ARCHBOLDIANA with a cross between the MACGILLIVRAyi. So let me go ahead and this is a fairly large plant from what I'm seeing here. It's a fairly large plant. Okay, there you go. Are you ready? Because this plant looks amazing. Okay, let me show you. Here you go. And it also has little baby leaves coming in right there. Let me get a little closer so you guys can see. Little baby leaves forming right there. Look at that. Wow. Wow. I'm impressed with this quality of Hoyas. And she offers a lot of different Hoyas on her website. You're just gonna be really quick, and if you see something that you like, get it from the get-go and just purchase. I often make the mistake of getting a few Hoyas in my cart so that I don't have to pay for shipping individually. But I made the mistake of doing that because when I was adding the Hoyas to my cart and then to eventually to do my checkout, 2 of my Hoyas on my cart were already purchased. So I couldn't fulfill my payment because 2 of the Hoyas were no longer available. So what I do now is I just make my purchases individually. If I see something that I like, I add it to my cart and I check out really quick, because if not, the plant is gonna be sold out. Like, it's gonna sell out really fast. But anyways, look at the health of this Hoya ONYCHOIDES, MACGILLIVRAyi and ARCHBOLDIANA. It's just wow. And she also includes these little clippings here, these little butterflies. Wow, I'm super happy with this plant and my Hoya ONYCHOIDES, guys. I'm so happy. But anyways, guys, this was an amazing unboxing with these 2 plants. These Hoyas are amazing, and they both produce giganormous wax flowers. So I'm just excited. If you guys have purchased from Koko Hoyas before, make sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what plants you've purchased and what's your total overall review on them. Do you think it's a good seller, or do you think it's a little bit expensive? Considering that she offers a lot of different rare plants for a very, I'm gonna say not the most cheapest, but considering the plant is kind of a rare plant, it's expected to pay a little bit extra for the plant. But I think this is a really good size plant for the price. So anyways, this was my second unboxing with Koko Hoyas. Make sure to leave a comment down below. And anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.